Hey there everyone, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to solve 58 squared in this fast and simple trick, which gets you an answer in seconds. Follow me as I take you through. So our first step is take the first digit, which is 5, and square 5. 5 squared gives us 25. So we put 25 on one side this way. The next digit is 8. So we take 8 and square 8 as well, which gives us 64. So we combine 64 with 25. What's next? What we are going to do is multiply 5 by 8 and by the exponent 2. So now we are going to get 5 times 8. 8 gives us 40 if you know your times table well. And we multiply by 2, which gives us 80. So we write 80 here and add the 0 to the end and sum it all up. 4 plus 0 is 4, 6 plus 0 is 6, 8 plus 5 is 13. So we write 3 and bring 1 here. 2 plus 1 is 3. So we can conclude that 58 squared is 3,364. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe and like. See you next time. Bye bye.